is Laika.
My name is Daza.
My name is Shryna Diva.
At welcome po sa Mates Bar. Kami po ang Sunday group ngayon. Belated Happy Chinese New Year pala. Kaya ako pala nakapula.
Oo.
Our news.
Laika.
Let's ride upon the earth, and the song begins to fade. There's still enough time to be around, gonna chase my bliss away. I'll tell the world up till now, it's a light of time, shows me how. So when the night falls, my only hope goes. I'll dance with somebody. I'll be the hit with somebody.
Yeah.
I'll dance with somebody. With somebody who loves me. I'll dance with somebody. I'll be the hit with somebody. I'll dance with somebody. With somebody who loves me.
It's a Guevara.
I've been in love and lost my senses. Living through the town. Sooner or later, the fever ends, and I wear the feeling down. I need a man to take a chance on the love of better than to last. So when my mind goes, I'm only my dance with somebody. I wanna be with somebody. Yeah, I wanna dance with somebody. With somebody who loves me. Oh, I wanna dance with somebody. I wanna feel like you with somebody. I wanna dance with somebody. With somebody who loves me.
Mika Tima.
Somebody who loves me. Somebody who to hold me closer. I need a man who take a chance on a love that was hard enough to last. So when the night falls, my
Ayan.
Uy, pwede na kayo magpadala mga request nyo ha, tsaka mga gustong umawit. Ayan.
Correct.
Totoo.
February 11. Kaya pala nakaluto, nakapula. Oo nga pala, Chinese New Year nung February 9.
9.
Nung 9. Pero ngayon, 11 na, mukha kang dulo ng posporo, gata. 11 na ngayon.
Hindi kaya. Mukha akong ano.
Hindi, Mickey Mouse ata ang pinipeg niya.
Oo, Mickey Peg.
Half Mickey Mouse, half Ray lang. Half Mickey Mouse, half...
Babaeng bell pepper ako.
yung kulay-pula.
Japanese paper na pula.
yung parang pampaanghang yan eh.
Correct.
Yan. Ganun pa din po, ganun kalakas ang ilaw every Sunday dito. So, halatang sunog na sunog ang mga leeg ng mga bakla.
Lutong-luto ang mga liig.
Oo,
Ayan.
tunglong-tong mga itlog ng mga bakla ngayon.
Ayan, so again, Sunday night, comedy night. So ayan, request na tayo ng mga songs na gusto nating marinig. Of course, no? Ang saya-saya. Happy birthday.
Yes, baka may mga sineselebrate kayo mga okasyon ha, sabihin niyo po sa amin.
Totoo.
Mga nagbe-birthday, monthsary, anniversary,